How to fix Kaiju No 8 the game crashing on Steam. First, you want to right click the game in your library, open up the properties window, and then under general tab under launch options, you want to type -dx11, or later you can try -d3d11 if the first command did not function properly. And then you want to click on the installed files section like this, and then click on verify integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish checking your files. Now once this is done, you can close out of this and then check if you have the latest GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need NVIDIA app, and then you will need to go to the drivers section, and from here you should download and install the latest game ready driver. You can also hit reinstall button if you have it already to perform a fresh reinstall. And once you're done, you want to try to disable the overlays by going to settings and disable NVIDIA overlay, and then other apps overlays such as Discord. Go to the settings and then scroll down to game overlay and turn it off, as these overlays might interfere with the game and cause crashes. And the last one is Steam overlay. Go to the in-game and turn it off from here. Next, you will need to restart your system, and after the system restart, before launching the game, you should open up Steam as admin like this, and then launch the game again, and that should fix the crashing issues. Thanks for watching and subscribe.